Now let us see the introduction to the interface of ArcGIS. So this is a menu bar where you can see file menu. In file menu you can add new file, open new file, save file. In edit menu you can undo, remove layer, redo, cut, copy and paste. In view menu you can view data, view layout, view graphs, view reports. This is the bookmarks menu where you can create bookmark, manage bookmark. In insert menu you can add data, add title, add text, add dynamic text, add neat line, add legend, add north arrow, add skill bar, add text. In selection menu you can select by attribute, select by graph, select by location. This is the geoprocessing tool where you can buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge, dissolve. This is the customize menu where you can see toolbars. There are n number of toolbars of ArcGIS. You can select any one and add it. You can add extensions. You can see add-in manager. You can see customize mode. You can see style manager. You can see ArcMap extension. This is the Windows menu where you can see overview, magnifier, viewer, table of content, catalog and search. This is the help menu where you can get help from ArcGIS Desktop. So in the right side you can see there is a catalog option. To connect a folder to a catalog, just select here connect to folder. Suppose we want to connect this folder, you will select it and select here OK. Now the folder has been connected. Suppose we want to add this file, we will just select it and drag it over here. So the file has been added. This is the topographic map of Nagpur. Here you can see there are unknown units. Now this is the table of content. Whatever layer you import, the layers will be seen over here. Now if by mistake the table of content tool has been deleted, to add it just go over here and select table of content and you can see the table of content. Now this is the zoom in option where you can zoom in the topo sheet. Now this is the zoom out option where you can zoom out. This is the pan option where you can move the topo sheet wherever you want. Now this is the full extent option where the topo sheet will be back to its original position. So this is the introduction to the interface of ArcGIS. Thank you.